Hi students, MCQ number 11. In a series resonant RLC circuit, the voltage across 100 ohm resistor is 40 volt. The resonant frequency omega is 250 radian per second. If the value of capacitance C is 4 microfarad, then the voltage across the inductance coil L is to be determined. This is a very interesting sum, and you have to think a lot to do this. Directly you cannot do. So this type of question is asked in the competitive exams like NEET and JEE entrance. So first we will read out the sum and note down the given quantities. So what are all given you see here? The voltage across the 100 ohm resistance. So R is equal to 100 ohm is given. And the voltage across the resistance, what symbol we have used in the derivation is V suffix R. Voltage across the resistance. Okay. So this is given as 40 volt. Then the resonant frequency omega R. So omega R is equal to 250 radian per second. If the value of C is 4 microfarad, so C is equal to 4 microfarad. Then the voltage across the coil VL has to be determined. So what is the value of VL? So some hints are given here. So now all the three RLC circuit, they are connected in series. So the current flowing through the resistance coil and the capacitor will be the same. That has to be determined. So the clue is given here. So VR. So VR is equal to 40. VR is equal to 40. So current I into resistance product is equal to 40. Therefore, the current I must be equal to 40 divided by resistance. Resistance is, so this is equal to 40 divided by 100. So 4 by 10. Therefore, current I is equal to 0.4 ampere. So this is the first information we have to collect. So what current is flowing through the coil and capacitor also is what I is equal to 0.4 ampere. Okay, now omega and C are given, is it not? Omega and C are given. Therefore, XC, capacitive reactance is equal to omega into 1 by omega into C, is it not? So this is equal to 1 by omega into C. So this is equal to 1 divided by omega is 250. So this is 250 into C is what? 4 into 10 power minus 6. Is it not? So once again, this is equal to 1 divided by 250 into 4 is 1000. So that 1000 I will write as 10 power 3. This 10 power minus 6 will go up as what? 10 power plus 6. So this is now 10 power plus 6. So that this is 10 power 6 by 10 power 3 is equal to how much? 10 power 3 ohm. Very easily cancelling numbers they have given. Understand? So what is the value of this capacitive reactance? Capacitive reactance is the resistance offered by the capacitor to the flow of AC. Is it not? So it must be ohm. So XC is equal to 1 by omega into C. That is equal to 1 divided by substituting the values. I get it is 1000 ohm. 1000 ohm. Okay. Now what is the clue given here? In a series resonant circuit. Resonance means what? The value of XL and XC must be equal or not. Indirectly they have given. We have found the value of XC. But that is also equal to what? XL. So at resonance, okay, at resonance, the value of XL must be equal to XC, that is equal to 1000 ohm. This is the clue. Understand? So voltage across the coil must be equal to current I into Inductive reactance XL. So current we have already found as what is 0.4. Is it not? Current is what? 0.4 into XL is also equal to XC into what? That is equal to 1000 ohm. So into 1000. So this is 0.4 into 1000 is what? 400. Therefore, VL is equal to 400 volt is the answer. Understand? So, which of the options is correct? You see, option C is the right answer. Okay. So, therefore, option C is the correct answer. This type of problems will be very interesting. Okay. If you practice problems like this type means definitely in NEET you will be successful. Okay. I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.